Today, I'm building a pizza oven, and then
I'm gonna show you how I made a pizza in my backyard. Yeah. Okay guys, today we're gonna build a pizza oven in my backyard. We have a professional, Sarah, along with us. Tell us what you do.
So I'm a landscape contractor and I want to help you build a DIY style pizza oven.
first step is building a form that we'll later cover with refractory cement.
Yeah! I'm so excited. I'm ready to get the pizza in my mouth.
The important part is that the hole goes to the bottom.
All right.
Because we're gonna need to deflate this.
Oh, perfect. Okay, for functionality reasons, we're gonna turn this so that this piece of wood is not blocking the gate. Uh-oh.
Spatial arrangement. So we're going to use a specialty cement.
Okay.
It's not something that a lot of people even know exists, but it's a high heat or a refractory cement. And so we're going to use that to cover this. And the cool thing about it is that it's going to cure in about 24 hours and you can actually burn in it like the next day. Now we want to create the opening.
Okay. You're so thought out. Like, I do things all the time. I never think it out and I'm like, okay, this is completely unusable. Great. Yeah, I love it. Okay, it's getting late, so before we start building this pizza oven, we need one of these. Let's go make it. Okay.
Now we have to add a form so that we can build the entrance to the oven.
So we have one more step, and this step is important, and it's actually going to go right where we're cutting it. Can somebody Pringle me? Oh, this is fun. We need to build a chimney.
Oh my god, this is so awesome.
Do you like Pringles? Because we need to empty the can.
I hate Pringles.
Pringles, anybody? Pringles.
Sure.
For the camera team.
I missed lunch, so.
So we're gonna put it like basically right here.
Okay.
I just spit out a Pringle, I'm sorry. Can you trace it?
Yes, of course. Okay, there we go. Boom. There we go. She looks gorgeous. I mean, this looks like a pizza oven in itself. Just a ball and some tape and some wood. That's awesome.
And Pringles.
Literally. Okay, guys, it's getting pretty dark, but we're gonna push through because we need this concrete on and we need it to dry in 24 hours. So bear with the darkness. It's gonna be worth it, I promise. Let's go mix this concrete.
Here you go.
Oh, brother. Who hired the Blue Man Group? Holy smokes.
We forgot the cement, you guys.
Yeah, it's probably pretty important stuff. Oh, nice.
You want to do some mixing?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, I'll hold the bucket.
Okay. I think she died.
I might have died. I think we're a pretty good mix.
Oh, wait, let's see. Will she last? No, we're done.
All right, that's fine.
I think it's good.
Okay, so legit, we have like 15 minutes to get this on.
All right, let's do it.
We can come through on the top and keep adding more and let it come down the side.
This looks great. Listen to this, camera guys. All right, Sarah, how does it look?
It looks good to me.
Awesome. All right, we're gonna finish this up and then let it cure, so we'll see you in 24 hours once it's done drying. Okay guys, we are back. It's been 24 hours and this thing is hard.
This should be able to pull in a little bit.
Wow. There we go.
Alright.
Okay, so we should deflate the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
do
deflate
that.
the ball. 1, 2, look at that. She's fully out, guys. Okay, let's get. Oh, she's super intact.
It's lumpy and it's bumpy and it's not beautiful, but it's gonna work.
Honestly, she's so cute.
She's made with love.
She's made with so much love. Now we need to build another base so that we can build a fire on top of it.
Let's get the cement board for fire resistance.
And these fire bricks will hold the heat.
3 more.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah.
All right, I got it.
Perfection.
Yeah.
Like pretty profesh.
So let's start a tiny little fire and then we can build that thing up and try a pizza.
Okay, I love making fire. If you don't have little shreds of wood and only paper, your fire will go out in 1 minute. Literally one. So you can just sit here and do this with a big piece of wood.
This is gonna stop that ember so it doesn't go land on something and start a fire.
Ooh,
You want more?
oh, beautiful. These are much better than mine. Look at that, guys. This is the best fire I think I've ever built. Next episode, we're gonna go survive in the jungle. Like, my dream is to be dropped off in the middle of Alaska with my dad so we can survive and fish and eat rice.
Is the GoPro still in there?
Yep,
Yum.
he's been through a lot today. Look at that. All right, so we got the pizza oven heating up, which means we get to make the actual pizza now. Let's see if we can do this like a real pizza dough. You gotta use your knuckles. Whoa! So that it doesn't rip. So far, we're looking pretty good. It might just be perfect. Guys, this is perfect. Look at this. Let's get some sauce on there. Most important step. Hey, we don't want too much because we don't want it to be too soggy at the bottom. So we're gonna use what we have in nature, which just happens to be this piece of wood. And then the beauty about using this piece of wood is you don't have to do dishes. Get the extra sauce off and toss it in. Let's get some cheese. Next, let's add the pepperonis. These are so cute.
Oh my god, I've never seen a baby pepperoni.
They're so cute, huh? All right, so here we got the little slices of peppers. Oh, this looks so good. All right, I think we're done. Okay guys, the pizza oven's hot. We got the pizza. Let's try and slide it in as best we can. I think we should just 3, 2. Whoa. Wait, that was perfect. We just have a piece of wood on top. It's definitely gonna have that wood flavor. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Now we wait. Oh, look at that pizza. This looks phenomenal. Oh my. This is like the best pizza I've ever had. It just tastes better because I made it. And we made the oven.
Yeah.
Frick yeah. If you want to come on more adventures with me, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here you go.